Hey, what's up guys, Hasan here. In this video we are going to unbox the new Poco M4 Pro. I'm one of the Poco enthusiasts who received the Poco M4 Pro for reviewing and testing it out. Of course, this won't affect my point of view in either way. I will tell you my personal experiences, what I like and don't like. Let's go. The M4 Pro comes in a Poco characteristic box. You can find here the Poco branding. First things first, we have a booklet here. Inside we face some manuals and stickers, the silicone case and the SIM eject tool. Furthermore, there is the M4 Pro inside the box. I've got the power black color here with 6GB RAM and 128GB internal storage. Last but not least, we get a 33W fast charger in the box. There is also a USB-C to USB-A cable included. On the right side there are the volume and the power buttons. The fingerprint scanner is integrated into the power button. It's reliable and fast. You can also set up if it should unlock your phone by only holding your finger on it or just with a simple press. I will later upload the tips and tricks video showing all the important extra features and how to boost your Poco M4 Pro. On the left side there is the SIM card slot located. We can use two 5G SIM cards at once. If you need more storage, you can expand it using a micro SD card slot with up to 1TB storage. Unfortunately, you need to use one of the SIM card slots for the memory card. On the top we can find an IR blaster, which is surprisingly at these days. We can control our TV using the pre-installed Mi TV app. There is also the second speaker and a mic on the top. Yes, it has stereo speakers. The audio quality is just fine. You cannot expect flagship level here. On the bottom there is the USB-C charging port, which supports fast charging up to 33W. The Poco M4 Pro charges fully in only 60 minutes. There are also the stereo speakers and the headphone jack. What do we have on the back? Yes, you guessed it, the camera unit. There is a big camera bar on the back, included a 50MP main rear-facing sensor and an 8MP ultra-wide-angle camera. On the front we have a 16MP dot camera for selfies and a 6.6-inch Full HD display. We also get a 90Hz refresh rate with 240Hz touch sampling rate. So, this was my unboxing and first impressions video about the Poco M4 Pro. Stay tuned for my cinematic review video. Thank you for watching my video. Just subscribe my channel for more great videos. Also let me know if you're going to buy it or not. Also comment below if you like the new descriptions layout and the sound quality. I used the Godox SmoothLink M2 wireless mic to record my voice.